Hi, welcome to DEVMITRULU. In this video, I will show you how to check if a string is a palindrome in Java using a simple approach with StringBuilder. A palindrome is a word or a phrase that reads the same forwards and backwards. This is a common coding question and can be solved in just in a few lines. Let's get started. Let's take a class like a palindrome checker in the package. Let's take the main method over here. We are going to take the boolean of the palindrome, which are like true or false. So let's make it public static boolean, and we are checking is palindrome. It must be a string, right? So let's take it as a string, and let's inside this method is palindrome. We can take a string like reverse it. Let's take a new string builder. It creates an object, and then for the string we are going to get in the string builder, we are making it reverse. It's a built-in function, and then we are going to convert to string. And then we are going to return str dot equals. We are checking whether the reversed string is equal or not, so that we can check whether it was a forward or backward, it's a palindrome or not in the reversed one. So we are taking a string like a string1 equal to, let's take madam. So let's take sysout over here. Sysout per is palindrome. We need to call the method over there, like within the method what we had given is palindrome we are checking. So let's take this, whatever the string one we are going to give. Let's get, so in this boolean we are going to reverse, yes, let's save this file and we can run this as a Java application. Yes, now it got true. When we give q over here, let's check again whether it is going to work or not. It's a false, so it was working fine. Raise car, let's see how it works for the palindrome check. It needs to give true. Yes, it was working fine. So here what we had done is like using a string builder, we take the original string over here str and reversed it and store the result in reversed order, this string. So okay, and then we are checking the string is a palindrome with equals here. In the main method we are going to call this is palindrome, and we are going to sys out this. Thanks for watching. I hope this makes easy method using StringBuilder helps you understand how to check for palindromes in Java. If you find video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to DEVMITRULU for more coding tips. Thank you.